The top things that we have our property managers become experts in and stay on top of: windows and doors, appliances and appliance repair. Those things break all the time, so we need to be versed in the language of that stuff. HVAC, light plumbing, light electric, and here's a big one: weatherproofing, waterproofing. So a lot of that is roofing, siding, flashing where there's windows and doors and lintels. Masonry work is included in that as well. Our area is very heavily impacted by weather. We get storms, we get driving rain, we get hot, humid summers. So there's lots of expansion and lots of contraction in the various materials that make up an apartment building. And so what we do at the property management office is manage through the issues that can arise with all those changing conditions throughout the course of the year. We're pretty darn good at it.